Hello everyone and welcome to Where Winds Take Me. I'm doing a video series on Thailand, and in this video you'll see how we spend the first 2 days in Krabi. So make sure you check the Thailand playlist to watch our full journey. It is our first day in Krabi and we decided to have a self-care day. We tried to eat healthy, got a massage at the end of the day, and we spent the day at the beach doing nothing.
'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always.
Good morning, it is day 2 in Krabi and we are taking a private long-tail boat for the day to see the Hong Islands.
We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, glorious, glorious.
Yes, we got to see the beach empty, and the secret is we left Krabi earlier. We had to be at our meeting point at 8 a.m. but we arrived there at 7:30 in the morning, and the long-tail boat captain agreed to take us to the Hong Islands 30 minutes earlier. The Hong Island is the perfect place for snorkeling, but it also has a jungle path that you can cross to discover the rich flora and fauna the island has to offer. If you plan to explore it, make sure you're properly dressed, otherwise you'll end up like us, bitten by mosquitoes and bugs. Hi guys! We are in Koh Hong Island and it's so beautiful here. We are now walking through a rainforest and we are not dressed properly for this. Oh.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
We are in Koh Pak Bia. Unfortunately, we only spent 1 hour here, but this is a really beautiful small island, ideal if you want to relax.
I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fun, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in.
We are back in Krabi and I ordered something too hot for me to eat. However, we really enjoyed the evening and we stayed on the beach to watch the sunset. So thank you guys for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe for more travel content.